Guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Xcover 4S and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your Google Play Store application are not visible on your it. When you have the same problem and you try search your game or application but you don't have it, go back and tap on your photo on the right corner. There, we scroll down and choose Settings, where Family and Parental Controls. As you can see, now we have pg 2 visible game or application. We need more than pg 3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter our connect pin to our parental control and we can easily change it from pg 3 to allow all, included or rated maybe, config by understood and save. And we can also turn off our parental control by switch off, entering our look screen to confirm it. And after that we can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, and it is working and we can install it. We have it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.